Hey guys, let me bring you into the top attractions in Camarines Sur, Philippines. Caramoan Islands, one of the most celebrated destinations in Camarines Sur. Renowned for their unspoiled beauty, CSC the Camarines Sur Water Sports Complex in Pili is a must-visit. This world-class facility offers wakeboarding, wake skating, and water skiing. Mount Isarog National Park. Nature lovers will appreciate the biodiversity of Mount Isarog National Park. Basilica of Our Lady of Pia Francia, dedicated to the patroness of Bicol, the basilica attracts thousands of devotees. Lake Buhi is famous for being the habitat of the world's smallest commercially harvested fish. Panicuason Hot Springs and Adventure Park, located near Mount Isarog, the Panicuason Hot Springs and Adventure Park. Ragay Gulf for interested in marine life. As of February 7, 2025, travelers planning to visit these attractions should be mindful of the current weather conditions. So guys, what are you waiting for? Visit now for relaxing,